Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with RBC Insurance Canada. Review my bank-offered insurance experience. RBC Insurance Canada offers a range of insurance products through the Royal Bank of Canada, targeting existing RBC banking clients and other Canadians looking for home, auto, life, travel, and health insurance. They offer bundle discounts for clients who hold multiple RBC products and often integrate insurance services directly into online banking platforms. Key features likely include online quote retrieval, policy management, and claims filing. Their website provides details on the different insurance policies they offer, along with tools to get quotes. They emphasize the convenience of managing banking and insurance needs in one place, potentially highlighting competitive pricing and benefits for existing RBC clients. While specific technology isn't always emphasized in their marketing, they do promote digital tools for policy management. Availability depends on the type of insurance and your location within Canada. Details can be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using RBC Insurance Canada. I'm already an RBC banking client, so adding tenant insurance was fairly straightforward. I logged into my online banking portal and navigated to the insurance section. Getting a quote was quick. I just had to answer a few questions about my apartment and belongings. The interface was clean and easy to navigate. I compared the quote with a couple of other providers and found RBC's price competitive, especially considering the multi-product discount I received. The entire process, from getting a quote to purchasing the policy, took less than 30 minutes. Managing my policy online is also convenient. I can access my policy documents, update my contact information, and even file a claim directly through the online portal. I did have a quick question about my coverage, so I used the online chat feature. The representative responded promptly and provided clear and helpful information. The standout feature for me was definitely the integration with my existing RBC accounts. It simplifies bill payments and makes managing my finances much easier. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app specifically for insurance, but I could still access everything through the main RBC banking app. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with RBC Insurance. It offered competitive pricing, a user-friendly online platform, and convenient integration with my existing banking services. That's my overview of RBC Insurance Canada. Review my bank-offered insurance experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.